Children, now let us start with two questions from your worksheet 1. The first question is, find the smallest number by which 2560 must be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. Children, as we have discussed yesterday about perfect cubes, I am sure that you might remember, जहाँ pairing पूरी हो जाएगी, that is a perfect cube. So we have to check first of all if it is a perfect cube or not. So for the solution, we are going to find the prime factors of 2560. Now since it is an even number, so I'll be dividing it with 2, and what do I get there? 1280. Again I divide it with 2 and get 640. Dividing with 2 again, I get 320. Again dividing with 2, I get 160. Again dividing with 2, I get 80. Again dividing with 2, I get 40. Again dividing with 2, I get 20. And as the space is less here, I continue here. So on dividing 20 with 2, I get a 10. Again dividing, I get 5, and finally 5, and I get a 1. Now what we are going to write? We are going to write it like this: cube root of 2560 is equal to cube root sign. Now we are going to count how many 2's were there. So as you can see clearly, children, how many 2's were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and 1 5 was there. So I am writing it in a similar manner: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1 5. Now since it is a question of cubes, so there has to be a grouping of 3 similar numbers. So I have made a group, and now 2 into 2 into 2 multiplied by the cube root of 5, right? Now 2 2's are 4, 2's are 8 into cube root of 5. Now children, we here notice that 5 is left ungrouped, and how many more 5's are required? 2. 5 into 5 है ना? So I'll write, since 5 is left ungrouped, therefore 2560 must be multiplied by 5 into 5 to make it a perfect cube. Then children, you can multiply and show 2560. 5 into 5 is 25, and then you can write the answer, whatever answer you are getting. Okay? Now we'll quickly solve the other question. The question is, find the smallest number by which 8788 must be divided to obtain a perfect square, perfect cube number. So again, we'll be finding the cube root. So it goes with 2. First of all, you can again divide in the graph. So 2 is divided. 8, 7, 8, 8. 2 4s are 8. Then 7. 2 3s are 6. 1 8 9. And this 8 will come down. So 4 3 9 4. Again I am dividing with 2. So I get 2 1 9 7. Now 2197, it is an odd number. And do you remember 2197 is the cube of which number? Have you learned the cubes or not? Yes, 2197, it is the cube of 13. So I write here 13 and I'll get a 169. Again I write here 13 and I get a 13. Then 13 and finally I get 1. Now children, I'll write cube root of 8788 is equal to cube root sign. Inside I'll write 2 into 2 into 13 into 13 into 13. Now grouping, 13 will come out and inside will be left with cube root of 2 into 2. Now the question is by which number it should be divided. So it should be divided by whatever extra we have. What do we have extra? जिसका पेयर नहीं हो रहा वो एक्स्ट्रा है. So क्या एक्स्ट्रा है? 2 into 2. Therefore 8788 must be divided by 2 into 2, which is 4, to make it a perfect cube. Then children, you have to show after dividing with 4 whatsoever answer you are getting, and that will be a perfect cube number. Okay, that is all for today, and you have to repeat this only in your notebooks. Thank you.